Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am a window cling freak. I absolutely love window clings and I love decorating with them. Not only on my windows, but on candles. So today I'm going to show you what I do with these cute St. Patrick's Day window clings that I picked up at the Dollar Tree and one of their plain white candles. So let's get started. Okay, so I think on this sheet I am going to use this little guy here. Now these adhere so well to the glass that there's no need to do any kind of sealing or Mod Podge or anything on these. They really do hold very, very well. All we need to do is just smooth them out a little bit. So I have that one. And I'm also going to put, oops, if I can get it off, I'm going to use this one also and put it kind of next to that. Dollar Tree used to sell the battery operated, I think they were like 6-inch candles, and I absolutely love those. I used to put window clings on those all the time, and I can't find them. It's been, probably well over a year that I've been able to find them. I'm using this one now. It says Lucky and I Gnome It. It's so cute. So this is what we have. I think, let me see, I'm going to move this one over just a little bit, get it a little bit closer. There we go. So far, that's what we have. Okay, and now on the other side, let's see, how about top of the morning? But anyway, those candles, I would buy them every time I saw them, and the window clings were perfect. They were just the perfect thing to put on them, and they were so pretty when they were lit. Okay, so we have that, and now we're just going to put a few shamrocks on here. Let's see here about this one. I think these are just so cute. Uh-oh. Well, I dropped it and, it landed on, it landed right on the glass. Oh, now it fell on the floor. Okay. I need a smaller one anyway. I pick up window clings everywhere, not only Dollar General, but I found that Big Lots has some really, really cute window clings. At Christmas, they had some that were the Christmas movies, like Elf and what was A Christmas Story, and there was one other one, that movie with Chevy Chase, Vacation, something Vacation. They had that too, and I used those on several different things, and they turned out so cute. So needless to say, I have just a whole little tote full of window clings. Alrighty, so look at this. Look at how adorable this turned out. Now we could keep going. There's more little shamrocks in here. We could put a couple little ones on there yet. You can even around the top, if you want to, you can put some twine up around the top, wrap it around, make a little bow or whatever. And that would look cute too. Boy, these just are not really cooperating with me now. They don't want to. Sometimes they're really difficult to get off. Let's see. Try. I'm having a heck of a time getting some of these to peel. Okay, so we'll get just a couple little shamrocks to fill in, and then I think we're going to be done. Could put some little gemstones on there if you wanted to. There's a bunch of different things that you could do, but I think this turned out super cute. So easy to do. And what a nice little decoration. I found that I'm really enjoying these white candles and the different things that I can do with them. But like I said, these will stick really nice. Just make sure that, you smooth them out, and they will stick on here really nice for you. So that is my DIY for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If this is your first time joining me, I welcome you and I thank you so very much. If it's the end of your evening, I hope that you're relaxing. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and until next time, bye-bye.